pretty. And yung ano niya doon ha, yung acting niya doon sa video, hindi pilit. Hindi nagpapak-cute.
So natural,
yeah.
Midnight Sabaw.
Welcome po sa another episode ng Midnight Sabaw. And tonight, we have our very first birthday request.
Yes.
Ay, belated pala.
Yes.
And this is a music video by Janela Salvador for
Disney. It's Happily Ever After.
it's created as a commercial for Disney
Hong Kong Disneyland.
Hong Kong Disneyland. And here we go.
Do you miss it?
Nga. The Mickey Mouse train.
Yep.
Feel it draw you in, let the wonder
Ganda talaga boses
take
niya.
hold. Ready to begin, your story waits to be told. It's better when you don't know where it's
Like her
going.
outfits.
Dive in with your heart wide open. The story comes alive when we turn the page. A new world in every chapter. When we look inside,
I think marami yata yung hindi napuntahan
our way, shining brighter together. It's just beginning. Feel your heart beat faster. Reach out and find your happily ever after. Find your happily ever after.
Sini-check ko yung place eh. Yan, familiar. We've been there. Okay. Yeah, I've seen that.
Every word leads
I
and we
like her.
follow. We'll never be the same.
Okay, so, parang commercial to for Filipinos to go there. Yeah.
Better when you don't know where it's going.
Si Filipino family.
Are you sure sila?
The story comes alive when we turn the page. A new world in every chapter. When we look inside,
I think pag ano, ay, hindi, it's new. That one's new. Hindi natin nasakyan.
feel your heart beat faster. Reach out and find
No, it's new. I checked that.
ever after.
Even that one,
Find
hindi na natin naabutan. Tagal.
Find your happily ever after.
Oh yeah, we missed. Ano, Lion King yung sa atin eh.
You're a part of the story. Feel your heart beat faster.
Do you think she auditioned
When you
for
find
this
your
or
happily
offer this to
ever
her?
after.
I think they had an audition. I'm sure of it.
Yung voice niya,
Oo. Mukha siyang ano, parang international talaga yung dating. Oo, parang ganon. Oo. Parang hindi mo siya ma-pinpoint kung anong race or nationality. Kakami. I think she is. Kaya lang, mahal. Oh, so nice.
type ko siya, she's pretty.
Feel it draw you in.
So, sana kung ano, no, magkaroon ng Disney princess na Pinay. Kasi naging diverse na sila ngayon, di ba? Halos meron ng African, may Chinese. Wala pang Pinoy. So, sana kung magkaroon tayo ng Pinoy, siya yung parang, di ba?
Alam mo, before, merong ano eh, if I'm not mistaken merong news before na kinuha si Kim Chu to
As-
represent
Disney
A
princess.
Disney princess.
Mhm.
I don't know what happened after that.
Sana nga magkaroon. And I think si Janela talaga yung karapat-dapat na parang, di ba meron silang kinukuha na parang model, i-base yung drawing doon. And I think she's perfect for it.
Yeah, she's pretty. And yung ano niya doon ha, yung acting niya doon sa video, hindi pilit. Hindi nagpapak-cute.
So natural,
Yeah.
And
That's nice.
And ang galing din ng ano, no? Kasi meron din pala talagang Disney Philippines. I didn't know.
What do you mean?
Yung company nag-set up sila ng Disney Philippines. So meron silang chapter doon for promoting Disney or siguro yung mga artists, parang ganun.
Oh,
Which
that's
is great.
cool.
It's
But
cool.
not Disneyland.
Hindi Disneyland.
For
It's
Disney.
just the
For
Disney
Disney
company
talaga. Wow.
representation sa Pilipinas. And that's a very good news for Filipino sa employment natin. Tsaka,
You mean for animators or?
oh, pwedeng ganun.
Wow.
Animators, tsaka yun nga, mga promotions.
Wanna go back to Disneyland?
Sure.
Tokyo naman.
At dyan po, nagwawakas ang aming first Midnight Sabaw birthday request.
Happily Ever After by Janela Salvador.
Signing off.
If you like this video and you want to see more,
Please share, like, and subscribe.
yep,